Hey, I told that I count my cash. Get on my face. Boy, fall on my way. Boy, get on my way.
What up, y'all? It's your boy, Milan, Young Crypto. You know what I'm saying? This is my first video. And I'm coming at y'all with a hair tutorial. I didn't know what else to make, and this is my first video, so I decided to, just come out with something light, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I'm doing a hair tutorial, and this is for curly hair like this. Any type of hair, basically, but curly and colored hair, blonde, any type of color. If you want to get your hair curly and have some hang to it, this is what you do. So I'm finna go to the shower, prep my hair, put some water in it, and I'll be back. Alright, so as y'all can see, I just came back from the shower. My hair's dripping wet, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how to get that curly hair. So first off, don't use a towel. Do not use a towel. This is gonna make your hair dry, super dry, and we don't want that. It's gonna mess up the texture on your hair. So this is what we're gonna use. Use a dirty, not dirty, but like old t-shirt that you don't use. Just something that you don't use, cotton, you know what I'm saying? Just any plain tee, it don't matter what's on it. So you're gonna put it in your head like this, have it like this, and just slowly just work your way around your hair. You can go in circles, triangles, it don't matter. Just go like these, rectangular motion, circular motion, it don't matter. Just make sure you really get some of that water out, but make sure you keep it a little wet, you don't want it too dry. Shake it around, then you should get it like this. Alright, so now what you do is you grab your ingredients, your conditioners. This is what I use. It's Argan Oil, Cream of Nature, Pure Honey, Argan Oil. And then that's a deep-in conditioner. That's good for your hair and keeps it moisturized throughout the day. And this is also Argan Oil, Cream of Nature. So yeah, any of those work. Also, Cantu does work. I use Cantu. Just depending on the day, it depends on how I feel. So it's just a matter of how I feel. And for shampoo, that's the key. You want to make sure your hair is always clean. Make sure it's right. I use marula oil right here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but marula oil. And it's by OGX. That's the key. You don't want to shampoo your hair too much. You want to do it every like 3-4 days, somewhere on there. And so, yeah, just make sure you keep your hair clean and healthy and good. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what to do. So after y'all finish drying off your hair, I'm gonna grab your pick or comb, whatever y'all use. Wanna pick it out. Pick it out to like a good little length. Make sure you get everything. I just took out some braids in my hair, so my hair is a little nappy, so y'all can hear that. But yeah, so I'm doing this for like, just so I get it to a good consistency. And alright, so yeah, that should be good. Let me wipe my face, have me wet. Alright, there we go. Have it like this, looking like afro a little bit. So then you grab your conditioner, your baby, your everything, your tool. You're gonna put around, not too much the first time. Put around like a palm size, like that, like in your hand. Get it. Just get it together like that. Just put that in there. Put it all around in your hair. All around, all around. Pull it out like that. And then just shake a little bit. So then, you wanna have it like this. So see, you're getting that shake. You're getting that shake, yes sir. And so then you can grab, if y'all don't have this, get this. It helps a lot, keeps my hair moisturized and a good consistency, as I said earlier. So you just spray a little bit like that, and yeah, keep it a little wet. Almost dry my pick. Then you get your pick, then just get it out like that, and then just shake. And you see how my hair coming down like this? Just brings up them coils. So yeah, you don't want to mess it up too much, but this is how long my hair is right now. It goes, hold on, comes down to right here. So good little length. I've been growing it out for around 2 years. So yeah, that's my video, my hair tutorial. Hope I helped y'all. And it's your boy Young Crypto. I'll be back with another video.
Bitch, I got bitches. Bitch, I got bitches. Bitch, I got bitches.